So we're driving up to Stingray Chevrolet here in Plant City, Florida, and we're driving in our 2018 Corvette. We're going to see the 2020 Corvette. We're kind of excited. It's been, you know, you've seen all the hype on TV. I've been reserving my opinion of the car till I actually see it. You know, it looks small in the photos. I kind of feel it's going to be as big as this Corvette. So I'm excited to go see it. We've been invited. So, follow along and hopefully they'll let us film inside, and this should be pretty exciting. We got about, 10 minutes to get there. And I got a railroad truck pulling in front of me now. But so let's have fun. Hey, those that know me know that I've had Corvettes most of my adult life. This is a 2018 Grand Sport in Admiral Blue. Great car. I don't know how they can improve on it, but let's see. We'll walk inside and look at the 2020. We're waiting there in line. Those that know me know I've had Corvettes since, 87, 88. I had a third generation, a C3, it's a 76 Corvette. We moved on to the C4, we've had several C5s. I've always wanted a mid-year, the C2. The numbers on the last are the generations, the different body styles. The C6 we totally missed out on, but we did get the C7. So we're waiting to get in line to see the C8, the 2020. The only way to improve on the architecture is move the engine to the back, and I guess that's what they've done. Come on, let's go inside. A lot of pomp and circumstance here for this car. Kind of excited, waiting to get inside. I forgot to tell you about a 71 Corvette that we have in the shop. We've had it since, last century. It's not correctly restored, or an NCRS Corvette. It's convertible, black. At least it started out life as black. We haven't figured out what color to paint it just yet. It's going to have ZL1 fender flares on it, side pipes. It should be exciting. I want you to watch that when you can. We'll do a show on that Corvette.
And here's some eye candy at the end of the line. 2019 ZR1. Awesome.
There's two things in American automobile history. Corvette has always been America's sports car, and the V8 engine is what made hot rodding a thing. So the Corvette with a V8, that's what we're coming here to look at today. Just look around at some of the old cars that we have on display. Beautiful collection here. This ZR1 here, and you can see the front end of it. You can see how aggressive the front opening is, and you can see the radiators behind it. I feel the new C8 kind of resembles this front end a lot. The opening, the very aggressive stance, the splitter underneath the bottom. I'm liking the new Corvette. So I'm in line. I've got my e-ticket pass. The anticipation's growing. We're getting closer, but we've got all these velvet ropes holding us back. So, we're getting up there. So, Stingray Chevrolet in Plant City is hosting us. Here's the 2020 Corvette. You get to see it. It's a beautiful car. We're excited to get up and see it. It's a little bit bigger than what I think it was. So, follow along. It's definitely bigger than I thought it was. It's wider. The pictures don't quite convey the width of the car. The overall length I think you get in the pictures and the video that you've seen online, but the car has definitely got a width to it that's, it's got a European flair about it. You know, the mid-engine architect, the short front cab forward design. You can see the radiators through the grille. it's actually pretty nice. You can see the rear deck that they're closing. It's got a window so you can see the motor. This color is actually very appropriate for the car because it kind of accentuates all the body lines. So you can see from the front end, it's very aggressive when you walk.
Thank you for your help.
You got it. Yeah. You excited? Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Where are they getting the coast?
We only have this one. Here's the power plant, nice V8 motor. That's what interests me. You can see it's moved forward to the axle a little bit. It's really well placed in the car. You even have storage room for the top and the back. Pretty exciting.
Pulling down to where the road, Kentucky hit Lake Morton, trying to turn, it's pouring on me. And of course, people driving my real slow.
Well, there's been a lot of excitement. We got to see the car up close. It's wider and lower than I anticipated. The doors actually are a little easier to get in than our current Grand Sport. I really like the engine. It's very aggressive, the engine cover. The whole placement inside the engine bay looks very well. Obviously, I would choose a different color interior, but the car and the color work really well together. I'd like to see it with some fender flares. I'm waiting for the convertible. That should look really sharp together. But yeah, I was impressed with it. I was very impressed with the car.